What's good, YouTube? Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make some stacked jeans. Got them right here. These jeans are pretty long. Got the stacks, you feel me? Yeah, let's get straight into it. But first of all, I just want to thank every single one of you for all the love and support. I still get asked when I'm going to make a new video, and I just really appreciate it. The next video is going to be on how to dye the stacked jeans.
Alright y'all, so for the remainder of this video, I'm going to be narrating, but I'm just going to sum it up. I'm just going to let you guys see how I do it. So what you want to do is you want to cut the pant legs off of the smaller jeans if you bought smaller ones. I had smaller ones that we can't fit anymore, so I just did it with those. And then once you cut them, you want to unravel them so they're inside out and put them on like it's your leg. You basically just put the jean over the jean, and then you just sew around the trim of the jeans, and then you grab the top of the pant leg that you sewed and you pull it down, and then it's going to be a long pair of jeans basically. Let me know how I did. This was my first time making some stacks. I think they came out really nice, and yeah, let me know how they came out.